Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. So today we have Samsung Galaxy A33 in front of me. So how to enable app protection on this phone. So this phone have a built-in antivirus and built-in app protection on this phone. So in order to do that, we can get into the settings. In the settings you will find device care. In the device care you will find app protection, which is off. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna choose app protection and turn it on. So just gonna choose turn on, and now your app protection is on. So from this stage you can scan your phone for viruses and harmful app on your phone. So it's gonna take a while. As you can see, it's scanning all these apps: TikTok, Truecaller, 4K wallpapers, and all these apps I have in this phone. It's scanning one by one. Here is actually a long list of applications is being scanned by this app protection. So no threats has been detected, my phone is safe. So that's how you turn on app protection in Samsung Galaxy A33 or any Samsung Galaxy. Thank you for watching tutorial videos. Please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned.